My name is Farah Iliana binti Hasanul Hafiz. Question 8. Dalila appointed Devi as her agent to purchase an application software for accounting. Dalila stated that the price of the software must not exceed 10,000 ringgit. Devi had exceeded her authority by purchasing the software from her friend Cho at the price 50,000 ringgit. First, explain in which situation Dalila may have to pay for the software. Second, what if Dalila finds out that later the Devi also received secret commission amounted to 10,000 ringgit from Cho? Advise Dalila, who is not satisfied with Devi. First, I will state the issue. Second, principle. Third, if there is any case related. And lastly, the application. For the question 1, the issue is whether there is agency created by ratification between Dalila and Devi. The principle is the term ratification refers to the process of making something legally legal by signing it off or otherwise giving it formal permission. Ratification, for example, happens after the parties sign a deal, the signature of the document render it official, and if necessary, it can be followed by statute. Ratification is the approval by act, word or conduct of that which was attempted but was improperly or unauthorizedly performed in the first instance. Ratification can be created in two situations, which are an agent who has appointed exceed his authority and a person who had no authority to act but acted as if he has the authority. There are 8 conditions to ratify. The act must be unauthorized or agent had exceeded his authority. Second, the act must be recognized by law, not unlawful act. Third, agent must act expressly as an agent at the time of contract. Fourth, the principal must be in existence and have contractual capacity at the time of contract. Fifth, Section 151, principal must have knowledge about the material fact of the contract in order to ratify it. For example, subject matter and condition. Sixth, Section 152, if the principal choose to ratify, it must be for the whole contract. 7. Ratification must be made within reasonable time. 8. Section 153, the ratification must not injure or cause loss to third party. In order for the agency by ratification to form, all the 8 conditions must be fulfilled. According to Section 159 of Contract Act 1950, stated that the effect of ratification is to render the contract as binding on the principal as if the agent had been properly authorized beforehand. Case related: Catley, Max and Company versus Durant. Case: Robert, who is the agent, brought flour for himself and for Catley, Maxter and Co. at a higher price than instructed by the Catley, Maxter and Co. using his own name from Durant. Robert does not inform Durant the intention that he was acting for K and Co. Catley, Maxter and Co. later agreed with Robert to buy the flour at a higher price but eventually failed to do so. Durant resold it at a loss and sued them for loss. K and Co. could not ratify Robert's action, so he had to be personally liable to pay for the flour. The principal was not liable for the act of an agent who did not profess to be an agent when he entered into contract. Application or conclusion. In conclusion, Dalila may have paid the remaining 5,000 ringgit for the software if she ratified the contract created by Devi. This is because Devi acted as an agent when the contract is created. The authority was already given by Dalila to purchase the software at the price 50,000 ringgit. Question 2. Issue: whether there are duties of agent to principal between Devi and Dalila. Principle: the partnership between the agent and the principal is widely accepted as a trust relationship comprising trust and confidence. The right and roles of the principal and agent shall depend on the explicit or implicit provision of the contract of the agency. According to Section 164 until 178, there are 10 duties of agent to principal. The duties of agent must not make secret profit match with the question since Devi received secret commission amounted to 1,000. What is secret profit? It is an extra payment, secret commission, or any financial advantage given by the third parties. The principal can disagree with the contract made by the agent, but it has a remedies to principal if he disagrees. Reject the contract with third parties, recover secret profit from agent, refuse commission, dismiss agent for breach of duty, sue the agent and or third parties for any loss or damages, initiate criminal action under Anti-Corruption Act 1997. Section 16A 168 of the Contract Act 1950, the duties of the agent can occur in circumstances where the agent cannot make any hidden benefit from the performance of his service. Hidden income means the bribe or payment of a secret fee or other financial gain that the agent enjoys above and above the commission decided upon by the parties. If the principal is aware of and consent to the hidden benefit, the agent is entitled to keep the profit he makes because the profit is no longer secret. Application. Based on this question, Devi received secret commission from Cho amounted to 1,000 ringgit. Dalila can sue Devi for receiving money more than the amount instructed. Since Dalila acknowledged about the secret commission and consent to it, Devi can keep the commission since it is no longer a secret. Thank you.